Yes, children, coming back to your question answers, take out your page number 74. That is, choose the correct option from the given option and complete the sentence. So here, three options are given. So you can see in your textbook, first, in Maharashtra, dash seats are reserved for the women in the local self-governing institution. Options are given. You can take, like previous slides, I told you to take a screen shot for that. So you can take, and afterwards you can complete your copies. You can write down in your copies. So this is your first question here. Now coming to question number 2, that is true or false, and for the true false you are supposed to give a reason for your answer. So this is the first part, that is Indian democracy is considered the largest democracy in the world. Very important question. So you are supposed to give your answer with reason. You are supposed to write your answer with reason. So this is the remaining part of our question number 2. Number 2 is there. Secrecy in the working of government has increased due to right to information. The answer is given. Again, you can take screenshot for that. Now come to question number 3 of true false. Part 3 of true false. The nature of constitution is seen as a living document. So this is very important. Again, the answer is given. Now come to question number 3, that is write short notes on. Here 3 short notes are given. So provisions regarding minorities, 3 points are given. Second is policy of reservation of seats. Third is women representation in Lok Sabha. So these are your short notes. Coming to question number 4, that is explain the following concept, or this is your concept map, or you can write as a short note also. Right based approach, right to information. So some concept map also is there. I will give you in this slide only. So this is your 2 concept. You are supposed to explain it. And in this question number 4, I have given one extra question. So apart from these 2 extra, I have written here in your slide, that is decentralization of power. So this will be your extra question for this question number 4, decentralization of power. You are supposed to explain this concept. You can take screenshot for that, and while writing answers, be very careful. Now come to question number 5, that is the last question. Answer the following question. Again, in this question 5, I have given one extra question. First, there are 3 questions. Another one I have given you for your extra question. So this is your first. What are the effect of reducing the voting age from 21 to 18 years? So this is your first question of answer the following. That is answer in detail. That will be come as an answer in detail. So here you are supposed to write 5 points, 5 or 6 points. This is your second or third question. What is meant by establishment of social justice? Which decision of court has resulted in protection of honor and dignity of women? So this will be your fifth question, second and third. And this is your extra question. In this question number 5, why there should be increased participation of women representation? So this is your extra question. And another question is there, what are the indicators of India's successful democracy? So these two questions are very important. What are the indicators of India's successful democracy? I have already written here extra, so you can write extra question in your copies also. So this is the remaining part. Now there are some concept map, that is provision regarding the basic structure of constitution. You can take screenshot for that and later on you can write in a copy. So these concept map are very important from the examination point of view. Laws passed for liberation or progress of women. These laws, you are supposed to write 4 laws. So if it is not there in your answer, you can add another one. This is another concept map, characteristic of good governments. So it is already in your book that while explaining your lesson I told you to underline that, it will be there for concept map, characteristics of good governments. So there are 6 points, or in your exam 4 options you are supposed to write. This is another activity based question, that is prepare a pie chart with the help of the information given in the chart of women MPs in Lok Sabha election. So this is in your textbook and that data you are supposed to make as a pie chart. So this is your pie diagram which is given in your textbook in the page number 72. Pink box left side it is given. So that table you are supposed to show as a pie chart, the form of pie chart. So this was the table which is given in your lesson. So with this your lesson come to an end. I hope you have understood well, and please read your lessons thoroughly, underline the important line, and the concept which is given in your lesson, working of constitution, you are supposed to understand it well. Read newspapers or discuss with your parents that why constitution is important, what is the working pattern of our government. So this type of thing you should be aware. As a conscious citizen you should know that what is going on in our country, outside world. So this lesson, as a future citizen, you should be aware that what is the pattern of our governments, or what is the pattern of our ruling system, or you can say how a government is running our country. So with this I hope you have understood well. Thank you.